Hari Om, this is Yamuna Devi and welcome. I'm happy that you are here with me today because we are getting ready to chat about some interesting topics and I hope that it can inspire you as well. So, in Ayurveda, we talk about the whole being. When we look at the whole being, we think about not only the physical body, the physical well-being. How about the mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being of that person, that individual? So when someone comes to me to see me, I don't look at just the issue that they're coming with, but I look beyond. Ayurveda looks beyond the issue, because the issue could be caused by so many things. We don't look at just, if I have knee pain, could it be the shoes? Could it be the way of walking, the posture? But it could also be something emotional, something in the psyche, something spiritually that can be also causing the knee pain. This is an example. So we don't treat exactly the knee pain. Of course, we help with oils and we give some supplements, but also the diet, the mental, emotional, and spiritual state of that person. We want to observe all these things because the overall well-being of that person will help heal that person. But if the person is in a state of anger, anxiety, nervousness, sadness, depression, then we need to find the root cause of this and help that person. So when I see someone, we look at the overall. That is why it is so important to not just only take care of the physical body, but we also have to take care of the mental, emotional states and the spiritual state of the being. We have to grow, we have to develop, we have to help each other. We have to serve, we have to help ourselves as well, because the only person that knows what is happening within you is yourself. The cause, how to manage situations, how to work through situations in a more positive direction. There, Ayurveda helps, yoga helps, meditation helps to spiritually uplift you out of that darkness. It is like putting a light in a dark room. In order to take the darkness out, we just turn on the light. And this I try to tell everyone. There is no darkness, but Yamuna have this and this and this sadness and the past and all these different things that just bring us down. But if you just turn on the light, the darkness disappears. So instead of trying to remove so many things of the past and keep revisiting the past and uncovering the past and just creating more hurt within, keep turning on the light. And the more you keep turning on the light, you will realize the reason for your unhappiness, the reason for your distress, the reason why you keep holding on to these negative emotions or negative mental patterns or things of the past. Why do you keep holding on to that? You will figure it out. You have to trust the process. You have to believe in the process. You have to help yourself. So Ayurveda is a beautiful science. Take care of your body. Continue taking care of your mind. Means we have to observe every moment. Every day we are being exposed to situations that are unpleasant, that are difficult. So we are the ones that have to manage this. We are the ones. And how do we manage that? We have to train the mind. We have to take care. We have to manage our mind. We have to learn how to invite positive thoughts instead of negative thoughts. We have to build on that. And slowly, you will feel the difference. Also, emotionally, you will feel better. You will not be dependent. Sometimes, I'm going to tell you the truth, sometimes we are dependent on our past hurts to continue, and we keep feeding our current situation with our past hurts. And the truth is, this does not help our growth. We just continue becoming that victim. We just want people to feel pity for us. But the truth is that none of this helps serve us. None. So there is no point in holding on to these things, and continue holding on. So keep that in mind. Look deep within what is happening, what you are feeling. Just observe yourself and serve and love yourself, and give yourself grace for everything, because we are here to learn. We are on this spiritual journey, in this journey of life as a human form, as a human being, to learn and to grow and to enjoy life. In the end, purpose is we have to enjoy, live peacefully, live happily, and bless every situation that comes to our life. So think about this. You will come out positive. Every situation will be fine. You will be fine. And I wish you a beautiful and joyful day. Lots of love, joy, blessings, and happiness. Be happy. Happy. Do not negotiate your peace of mind for anything or anyone. Adios. Thank you for being here.